but she ain't never give a single fuck about me. Yeah, you bet you know that we ain't never gonna be together, I see.
You know what? I'm dying right now. It's like I'm gonna die. I hate my eyebrows. I'm gonna put some Aveeno lotion in my face. I'm gonna get this e.l.f. Prep and Hydrate Balm and I'm just gonna apply it around my face. And next, I'm gonna get Thingover Replenishing Face Primer by Too Faced. Apply like a good amount. I think that's too much. And then I'm gonna get the Too Faced Hangover 3-in-1 and just spray it around, spray it on my face. I'm getting this Instant Pore Eraser by Maybelline. And I'm gonna get the Hello Happy by Benefit Soft Blur Foundation. Okay, so my phone actually turned off and I had to charge it, but I haven't done anything to my face except my eyebrows. And for my eyebrows, I just used the Anastasia Beverly Dip Brow in dark brown. To conceal them, I just used Super Stay Better Skin by Maybelline. So right now I'm just gonna get the Super Stay Better Skin and I'm gonna just put it in my dark spots, which is everywhere. But yeah, I'm running out, so I have to go buy some, and I'm sad because I have to go buy some. Tell me why. I was just looking at the videos, like I was trying to see how they looked, and my eyebrows are so messed up. Like one's so smaller than the other one, and it's like okay. And yeah, tell me why. I was just trying to be like one of those girls that threads my eyebrows by myself. I literally do not know how to do that, and I messed up. I was trying to do it because I watched a YouTube tutorial, and then I messed up, and then I was like, what do I do? So then I grabbed the tweezers, and yeah, one turned out to be smaller than the other, and I don't even notice it until I look at myself in the camera, and then it like flips you sides. It's like, okay. So yeah, my eyebrows like really messed up. So usually when I make these videos, I don't really talk. That's why I'm trying to talk, because I've tried to make some videos before, and that's why I was kind of like not really wanting to make videos, but I've always wanted to put, I'm the type of person that records everything I do. Like if I'm doing my makeup, I used to pretend I was a YouTuber. Like I liked recording myself, but every time I do that, like my videos and I edit them, it lasts like 3 minutes because I don't really like talk. So that's why I was like, I want to talk in my videos. I don't want to just be like quiet, you know. And yeah. Okay, so right now I'm gonna get the Tarte Clay Play Volume 2, and I'm gonna go in with Terracotta. So yeah, I'm just gonna go in with Terracotta. Then I'm gonna get the Airspun Loose Face Powder, and I'm just gonna put that in my under eyes just so it could like stay better. Today's December 28th, I think, and I can't believe like the end of the year is coming. I'm so shook because everything just went by so quick. Like I don't even remember being in January. But yeah, I'm kind of like just shook. It's kind of weird, I guess. I don't even know how old I am. What the fuck? I'm gonna be 18. I'm gonna be 18 this coming year, and it's kind of like I'm not ready. This year has actually taught me a lot. Like the past years, everything always teaches me something, and it's kind of like. But yeah, I'm gonna get the desert from the Tarte palette again. I'm just gonna get that. I like going like this. I don't know. From the Tarte palette again, I'm gonna get the Timber. So I'm just basically using like the three things from the highlight, the contour, and yeah. And I'm just gonna highlight. I'm just gonna curl my lashes up. I'm trying to like, okay, but I was saying like this year has taught me so much, and it went by so quick, and it's like, because where does time go? Literally. Okay, I'm gonna use the Maybelline Total Temptation mascara in darkest blonde. Oh my god, I put some. Oh fuck, mascara touched me in my eye. Really? Really? I'm crying. Oh my god, I'm so
mad. I'm literally so mad.
I'm just kidding, I'm not mad, but oh fuck, I hate when this happens. Like, I'm gonna have to go take that off. But I think I'm gonna just wait for it to dry because I hate doing it when it's wet because then I feel like it smears more. But why does life do me like this? Fuck, please don't fuck me over again, please. And I'm just gonna put some on my bottom lashes. When my eyelashes get clumpy or just stuck together, I just like going in with an eyebrow brush, an eyebrow spoolie brush. Yeah, I'm just gonna let that dry because whenever I press like whenever I put my setting spray on it and it's not dried and then I blink and then mascara is just gonna run all over and I don't want that. So now I'm just gonna get my Too Faced primer spray and I'm just gonna put it on my face. Oh my god, tell me why I was about to cry because I thought my mascara had got all over because like they sticked and I was like, not again. I like putting the Anastasia Beverly Hills Moi d'Amour. I don't know if you guys can see. I hate messing up sometimes though because just to clean it up, it's like no. So now I'm just gonna curl my hair, and I curl my hair with the wet to straight curling iron. If you guys care, I mean curling iron, straight iron. To me, it's a curling iron because I don't really straighten my hair, but I really like how this curls my hair, and my hair's so damaged. So why am I doing this? So this was my everyday makeup look or my makeup video look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please leave any video suggestions below, and yeah.